Pacquiao knocked me down. I got up with a smile, okay? And that man, I talked to his team afterwards. He was about to quit on the stool, people.
Boxing fans, maligayang pagbabalik. Sa buhay ng isang boxer, may mga senaryo kung saan aabutan at makakatagpo siya ng talo. Isang mapait na kabanata na dapat tanggapin ng bawat mandirigma.
Thurman's face is really starting to show the effects of Manny Pacquiao's power punches.
Enter Keith Thurman. Sa panaginip at mga bangungot ni Thurman, humaharap pa rin siya sa isang alaala. Ang pagkatalo niya kay Pacquiao. Mapait pa rin ba ito sa kanya hanggang ngayon? Sa bawat tinig ng mga tagahanga na sumisigaw ng pangalan ni Pacquiao, tumutusok pa rin ba ang paghihinayang sa kanyang puso?
We know that Keith is vulnerable to the body.
Ang talo ay hindi lamang isang talo sa isang boxer.
It was painful. It was very painful, very depressing.
Apektado rin ang pride at syempre ang kahihiyang dulot ito. Eto at uumpisahan ni Keith Thurman ang mga revelasyon.
It's the closest fight of my career. When you're going toe-to-toe, blow for blow, and both people are putting in good amounts of effort, that knockdown, the knockdown changed everything. From the way I remember it, the two judges that favored him, one of them favored him by a 1-point margin, which means without the knockdown, I win. And then outside of that, a 1-point margin on one judge's scorecard, if I could just get that point back in my favor, it's a 1 point away from being a draw. No matter how you look at it, it was very, very close. And, when it's that close, there's always more you could have done.
Sa psychology, may tinatawag silang denial. At para sa ilang mga tao, maari ito ang unang tugon sa pagkatalo. Ang pagtanggi ay isang karaniwang defense mechanism at maaari itong makatulong sa isang tao sa isang masakit na sitwasyon. Ating tandaan na sa 17 taong pagbaboxing ni Thurman, si Pacquiao lamang ang nag-iisang boxer na tumalo sa kanya. Ano nga ba ang paniwala ni Thurman kung bakit natalo siya?
I believe I gave up, and the only problem is I didn't give myself the same speech. I said to myself, dang, man, I think it's a draw, man. I think it's a draw. I think you're good. Just keep pushing. I mean, I don't know if they're going to take it from you, but I feel like the moment I accepted the draw was the moment I lost. Pushing for the W is the only way that you can guarantee the W. Don't slack off. You know what I mean? Don't slack off.
Anya, nag-relax at akala niya draw ang resulta ng laban. At wari niya mukhang pantay lang ang scoring. Pero ang tanong, may ginawa kaya si Pacquiao na maaring nagpalamang sa kanya kay Thurman?
My original trainer said smart fighters win, dumb fighters lose. The reason why I was able to be humble at the end of the fight was just because Pacquiao fought a smart fight. I might have landed more punches than him, but he landed the right punches at the right time to convince the judges that he's winning these rounds. He protected himself at all times. He kept his hands up he tried to keep his hands up very well. I had to go around, I had to go in between.
Aminado naman si Thurman na naging matalino si Pacquiao sa kanyang strategiya noon. Ngunit ano nga ba ang naging plano niya matapos ang knockdown ni Pacquiao sa kanya?
I tried to bait him after the knockdown. I wanted to create a brawl with him. And his old age and his wisdom, all the experience that he had, he took all that into the ring. He didn't bring no pride. He listened to his coach. They knew they had a little bit of a lead, and they just said, keep boxing smart, keep boxing smart. He never got overly aggressive. He didn't take the bait from the young warrior trying to trade toe-to-toe. Because I know he was fading. I know even the pressure that I put on him, that body shot in the 10th helped him out a lot because of perspective on, like I said, he lands the right shots at the right time on me.
At gaya ng isang mangingisda, Magse-set up pa sana siya ng pain, pero mas matalino dito si Pacquiao. At ito ang latest na analysis niya sa knockdown noong unang round.
I mean, I smiled after the knockdown. You know, that was he sprung into action when I was retreating in a back line. I didn't take an angle. I wasn't circling. I stepped straight backward. He sprung forward, and it was a momentum thing. There wasn't much I could do about the knockdown.
Ngunit may mga ilang Pilipino na nagtatanong, ano ang mas masakit? Ang knockdown ba sa round 1? O ang body shot sa round 10? Kung saan, nakita nating namilipit si Turman dito. Sa unang pagkakataon, sasagutin ni Turman ito.
There wasn't much I could do about the knockdown, but the body shot, that was a pain thing. You know, that's a little. He snuck that one in there. You know, it was right in the middle of the ring too. It was a very awkward place to throw that body shot. You know, I don't take knees. I don't go down if I don't have to, because, you know.
Dingging mabuti kasi may isa pang revelasyon na isasalaysay si Turman tungkol sa makamandag na body shot.
If the knockdown in the first round wasn't there, I have an option to take the knee. But with the knockdown there, 2 knockdowns, now we know you need the KO to win. And I just pushed, man. I just pushed. I tried to recover as quick as I can and get back on him. But I know it looked good in the highlights. And sometimes some of me and my peoples, we say it's the body shot that won the fight. Sometimes we say it's that 10th round that won the fight. That's the problem when you lose at such a, you know, even with the body shot, even with the knockdown in the first round, one judge had me winning by 2 rounds.
At dito, nadidiskubre natin na tumakbo nga sa isip nitong si Turman na lumuhod, pero tinis na lang ng mamang ito dahil malalamangan siya ng sobra ni Pacquiao.
When I say I'm salty, I mean I'm salty, man.
Salty. Sa Webster Dictionary, ang kahulugan ay may masamang pakiramdam o pagpapakita ng sama ng loob sa isang tao o sitwasyon. Sa terminong kalye ng Pinoy, bitter lang si Turman.
As salty as I am, I still loved it, man. I love the whole experience. You know, it was epic. It was everything I ever wanted it to be when it came to growing up, fighting the best fighters in the world. And then with Pacquiao, I retrieved, trying to get into that safe distance, and he did his little bunny rabbit hop into action. So Pacquiao just happened to be the one throwing the one times in the rounds at the right time, man. You know, he really stayed calm, cool, collective, and he waits for his opportunity. You got to just not give him those kind of opportunities, because he's not the guy that's going to be sitting back, and then not do nothing. He's sitting back, about to do something.
In fairness, luhod naman si Turman sa mga accomplishment ni Pacman and labeled him as one of the greatest.
I came from the east, a stone from the Pacific. My rhymes are hard, ain't nothing generic. I'm the realest, the baddest, no one compares. I'm the greatest, the legend, ain't nobody there.
At isa sa mga accomplishment nga ni Pacquiao, ang maging 8th Division World Champion. Ano ba ang palagay ni Turman sa accomplishment na to?
I'm probably about 100% right when I say nobody will ever do what Pacquiao did ever again. I'm probably about 100% right.
Okay.
It's very not likely, and a lot of people don't have the opportunity. A lot of people really don't have the speed and power to go through that many weight classes.
Right.
You know, and then a lot of times, when they do, they're gonna find their limit and they're gonna get hurt. And then after they get hurt, they're normally gonna put themselves back in a more comfortable situation. Pacquiao never did that. Like I said, been knocked down, been knocked out. I'm still gonna show you how great I am. Pacquiao, that's what he did, man, and he made history. He made a type of history that will most likely never be repeated, man.
At sabi nga ni Turman, maaring wala nang makakaalpas pa sa record ni Pacquiao. Kitang-kita naman natin ang respeto niya kay Manny, ngunit may respeto ba siya sa mga Pinoy fans din? At ano ang palagay niya sa suporta natin kay Pacquiao? Ito at dinggin.
Filipino, that Filipino crowd, that thunder, he misses, they cheer. He blocks, they cheer. You know, he gets punched, they cheer. They just cheer, man. I mean, it was the most live. You want to talk about live? The energy was through the roof. That's to me, that was the whole honor, man, to just, you know, not just fighting a legend, but just having the fans, so many people backing him, so many people backing me. The arena, we just packed the house, and I mean, it was phenomenal.
Phenomenal nga kapag nakalaban mo ang isang legend. Napagtanto natin na tinuturing ni Turman na isang karangalan ito sa kanya. Ngunit, lately nga lang, may sinasabing bago si Turman sa laban nila. Ito ang mga bagong pahayag ni Keith Turman.
Pacquiao knocked me down. I got up with a smile. Okay, look at all the people Pacquiao knocked down. Nobody got up with a smile. Okay, it was funny. It was funny, boy. I was winning the round. Rewatch round 1. I was winning the round. He capitalized in a moment. That's what veterans do. They choose the moment when to strike. Okay. He capitalized in a moment, jumped into action, threw a really tricky combination, a little up, down, up, punch, bam. Caught me while I was moving backwards. It didn't even hurt. Okay, I've had shots that I've been on my feet that hurt a lot more. That's why it's called a knockdown. Okay, that's just it's a gravitational force. Don't make me get scientific on you peoples, okay? It is what it is, baby. It's boxing. I got up, I put up a great fight.
Bagong taon, lumang problema. Di pa rin makapag-move on si Turman. Gravity lang daw umano ang nagdala sa kanya sa sahig ng lona. Ano ang saloobin nyo dito? Natatawa ba kayo? Nagagalit? Huwag kayong pumikit dahil may isa pa siyang sasabihin.
And that man, I talked to his team afterwards. They had to talk to him and make him keep fighting. He was about to quit on the stool, people. Okay? That man wanted to fight. He couldn't talk after the fight. Okay? So, y'all need to understand boxing a little bit better, man. Do your research.
Nakakatawa man o nakakainis ang mga bagong saloobin at punteriya ni Turman kay Pacquiao, isa lang ang sigurado. Ang legendary status ni Pacman ay nakaukit na sa bato ng kapalaran. At kailanman, gaya ng sabi ni Turman, mukhang imposible na ring biyakin. Kung naliw kayo, marami pa tayong darating na content na ganito. Sub and follow for more. Salamat mga kaboxing tayo.